Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Blessed Vicky. If you are new here, I'm Blessed Vicky. And if you also are new, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. And today's video guys, it's all about how to cook kienyeji pancake. So in my recipe here, I have put wheat flour, little cooking oil, salt, chumvi, and water. So our pancake, I'm not going to put oil in the pan. No, I'm going to add all the recipe inside here. Wheat flour gets our recipe number 1, water. Number 2, wheat flour. Number 3, oil cooking oil. Then after that, you stire. Or if you have breader, like my jug, you can see here, it's a jug, breader jug. So mimi nimetumia blender ku blend mayunga or ku stire ku mix kusitesisia. So our pancake, you can see I'm also cooking. So I'm already prepared some you can see, like, let me show you guys. That's how our pancake will look, you can see. So my pancakes nimesiweka hapa. So guys, that's kienyeji pancake. Will cost a little short time and will not cost you a lot of like gas. Unaona venye economy iko juu. So guys, okay, so that's how we put our mixed wheat flour. So that's how guys we put. Okay, hope so far we are together. So this is my pan. So we just boil it like this. You can see. That's how it looks after you boil it. Then after this, you put it kwa cooker. Then you give it some like 5 minutes. Itaiva side ya chini, itakwambia itakauka huko juu. So guys, let's see our pancake how it will look. You can see my pancake. So my pancake inaiva. Acha tuipe sometimes tuone itakuwa aje. Kama ndio umefika, this is Blessed Vicky. I am preparing kienyeji pancake. So guys, make sure you hit on that subscribe button, please. Help my channel to grow. Please help my channel to grow. So guys, this is how my pancake inaka. So after this, what you do, you take knife, this knife, kisu, sijui kwani unaitaka aje. Aya, you can see my pancake, unaitoa like unaitoa kwa pancake mali imeshikana. You can see, unaitoa. Then after that you shake it, itajitoa yenyewe. But mine inakaa haijaiva kabisa, nitairudisha kwa jiko tena. So guys, you can see, like you can see, bado nimeirudisha kwa jiko. That's how it look. Let me give you some more time, then tuone itakuwa aje. So sorry guys, nilikuwa nimeenda kujaribu kuitoanisha kwa nini kwa pan, but nimeipindua. So that's how my pancake inakaa. That is a kienyeji pancake guys. So if you have a girlfriend there or a boyfriend, you want to teach him or her how to cook kienyeji pancake, you just on your recipe you put water. You put water here, maize flour, then you stire it. And I've said before, if it is possible, if you have a blender, use your blender to stire it because it is possible. And your solution will be so soft, will be soft. Sorry. So like here, you can see see my sorry guys. You can see my solution, stire maize flour for pancake. So iko soft. So here I've put water, wheat flour, cooking oil, little amount, and sugar. And if it is possible, you can add also salt, little amount, and your pancake will taste so sweet. Okay, so guys, make sure you hit on that subscribe button, and to get more of my videos, make sure you turn on that bell by clicking on that bell to turn it on, so you'll be the first person to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's meet on the next video, my guys. See you.